This is how I make my face look younger in under 10 minutes. If you want to know what this baby face makeup is, follow along till the end. So as usual, I'm going to start with my face because in baby face makeup, face is the most important thing. First of all, I'm going to go with my moisturizer because your skin in baby face makeup needs to be completely flawless. And it has to be so much soft like a baby. It has to be moisturized. Now my skin is totally moisturized. The next step for a baby face makeup is to get rid of all the discolorations. So I'm going to use this primer and I'm just going to apply it on my pores because, as I said, it's really crucial to have a perfect skin. Do not pay attention to my hair if it's like this, and sorry for that, but it'll be alright at the end. So here we go. This is the primer and I am going to let it completely sink into my skin. And then I go with this foundation, which also contains SPF. First I put it with my fingers, and second I spread it with this brush completely to everywhere. It's not finished yet because I still need to do a few things with my skin. And after all, I take my wet beauty blender and then I blend it with this. A baby face makeup does not need any specific contouring, but I'm going to contour my nose just to make it smaller and to make it look more like a baby. So I use this. I'm just going to do the contouring on the tip of my nose, and I'm not going to go any much further. See that? This is it. And I put darkness also here because I want to create a kind of small nose at the center. I want to put the focus at the center, so this is what I do. And that's all. There's no need for more contouring. I also take my Too Faced palette and I apply a little bit of highlighter to the tip of my nose, right here. You see that? Okay, blushing matters a lot in baby face makeup because you need to be careful not to contour and do not put the blush to some places like here, and you should be very careful with that. My recommendation is to use cream blushes because they give you much more natural results. And I'm just gonna apply it right here to the center of my cheeks. Right here, you see that? That's all. And you also need to be careful with the colors that you're using. It has to be baby pink or peachy blushes. I'm not finished yet because after blending this into my skin, I want to apply another layer of blush. I use the same wet beauty sponge. I do this as fast as possible to blend it. You see that? Okay, do you see how natural it is? This is exactly what we need in baby face makeup. But I'm not done yet with the blushing process. Pay attention to this brush. As you can see, it's round. And this is what we need. And again, I'm using my Too Faced palette. And there's only one pink color, which is named Pink Wink. I use the same color. I grab a little bit and then tap off the excess, and this is what I do. I tap only at the center of my cheeks. You know, I'm not going this way or this way. I'm just going to stop right here in a circular motions, like this. Now for the brows, you know that a baby face makeup does not have any kind of exaggerated eyebrow shape, and it's totally simple and feathery. So this is what I'm exactly going to do. I'm just going to take my brow gel. You could also use brushes. You don't need to use brow gels. And I'm just gonna brush it a little bit upward and to make it somehow cleaner. I'm not going to give it a specific shape, I'm just going to make it look cleaner. You see, it's just a simple brushing because honestly, babies do not have anything extra on their brows, and the more natural the brows, the more baby face it looks. And anyway, I'm not worried about my brows because I am going to drop my hair down so it'll be covered. What I'm going to do for my eyes is quite simple. I'm going to take my palette and I choose a color which is soft and glowy and somehow smooth. Something like this with combination with this. I only use my fingers and I apply it to the back of my eyelids because we don't want to do anything exaggerated. Babies do not have exaggerated eye shape. They have their natural face. You can apply pink colors like this to your crease. It's like, this is my own crease. And this is it. It's just a simple back and forth motions, not anything exaggerated. A baby face makeup needs bigger eyes, and for creating the appearance of bigger eyes, I need only 3 products, as you can see. And I'm not going to apply any kind of eyeliner because, babies do not apply eyeliner, and if you apply eyeliner, you look a little bit older. You need to pay attention to the way you're using your mascara. Okay, I'm not going to apply a lot of mascara on my lashes. I'm just going to apply a little mascara. And you need to be careful with the shape that you're giving to your lashes. It should not be in an oblique order. We don't want an elongated eye shape. We want a big eye shape, a round eye shape. You see that? And a little bit on my lower lash line. But you need to be very careful with your lower lash line. I use the eyelash curler for one more time to make sure it is curled enough. You see that? And then I apply this white pencil on my lower waterline. Lips are important because you should not apply dark lipstick on your lips if you want to have a baby face makeup. And also you should be careful with the size of your lips. It should not be big, it should not be exaggerated. And this is what I do. I take a small, this is a small because I have used this a lot. I take somehow pink lip liner and then I shape my lips. I just want to make it look like a bud, small bud. And this is what I do, you see? This is what I'm going to use. This is the lip balm. I do not use any exaggerated color. This is my favorite lipstick style. Okay, the last step, which is optional, but I think that it plays a very crucial role in having a kind of baby face look, is the hairstyle. As you can see, I have my bangs here and I'm just going to put them down. This hairstyle is definitely going to make you look younger. Trust me. Okay, that's all. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and I become so happy if you try this makeup on yourself. Thank you so much. Bye.